case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2005, the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals heard a case, Lively v. IJAM, Inc., which centered around the principle that a court can only hear a case against an out-of-state defendant if they have sufficient connections with the state to make it fair and reasonable for the court to hear the case. The case involved a dispute between VJ Lively and two Georgia corporations, IJAM and Monarch Computer Systems, regarding a computer purchase and repair. Lively alleged that he bought a laptop from Monarch in 1999, which was manufactured, delivered, and invoiced through IJAM. He claimed he returned the computer twice for repair, but it never worked properly, and the corporations did not return it to him. An affidavit from Monarch's CFO, stating that there was no record of selling any products to Lively, became a crucial piece of evidence. Lively filed a complaint in Oklahoma, alleging breach of contract and seeking damages. The trial court ruled in Lively's favor in 2002, but the defendants appealed, arguing that the court lacked jurisdiction. Upon appeal, the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals found that the trial court indeed lacked personal jurisdiction over the defendants and reversed its decision. The case was then remanded for further proceedings to determine the nature and quality of the defendants' contacts with the state.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.